Hey guys, I want to thank you for your purchase for the Mantis. I'm really proud of this tool, coming up with it and putting it to market. I want to thank Anson for making it happen. And I just want to take a couple minutes to make sure you know how to use it. First of all, you got to put it together. Handle screws on, and that's mainly just to make it smaller and more portable. You bolt on the feet. I suggest you bolt these on nice and snug, so they will move a little bit, but you want them not moving a lot. Then you fold it out, and this is the locking pin. Some people want to try to use it like this, but it's not made that way. You put the locking pin in, bring it around, lock it in place, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. So I wanted to show you a couple tips first on the way to get your angles right. So I have some tabs in different locations. The first one I'm going to start with is this lower tab. So I've lowered, you basically just untwist this and slide it up and down and then lock it into place. So this one I've got it on the lowest setting. Basically, I use a chain and basically I fold it in half, and I have two different hooks on the bottom. One of the hooks is from Cam Auto, and this one's from CT, Carbon Tech. And so you want the chain as basically as even as possible, and you want this angle to be just about this. So if you have it too much like this, it's going to slide on you. So you want it to be about like that. The power of this is pushing down on this rear foot, and then you can put your foot on it for extra stability. Now let's move it up to the middle section. And you see the angle is about the same on the foot, just a few inches off the ground. That's going to give you the most leverage down on the ground and it not slipping on you. And then go all the way to the top. Now on something like this, I might want to lengthen out and get it further away and put this latch over here, and then bring this back. So I'd probably more like this to be in the upper sections. But always keep this just a few inches off the ground right here. And that'll give you the most leverage of this pushing down on the floor. And not like this, because this way it's going to want to slide to the front. So that's the basic little instructions I want to give you on this, and hope you enjoy. Thanks a lot. See you later.